something I struggle with perfumes and other atomizers, things like that. Yeah, that I wouldn't buy it because I wouldn't be able to use it.
I'm going to twist it somehow. No, I can't get that off. So I can't get that off.
Oh, okay. Because I can use one hand. That would honestly, that's would get so messy because I've never. Why is it so tough? Ooh. How is it meant to work? I love how it says directions for use. Brush thoroughly at least twice a day. Where is the use on how to use this? You meant to hold it like that way and do it? I don't know. I don't understand that. These ones I like. That's like really easy for me. I like that it has like the ridge underneath, so you can like put your finger there and under. Like that one. That's super easy. And like the squeeze as well is not it's not like a resistant squeeze. Like it's quite a soft squeeze, so I like that.
And again, that one would be fine as long as there's plenty of product in it. I think this one is good because I don't have to actually unscrew anything, and the tube is quite soft and flexible, meaning that you don't have to put as much pressure on it to actually get the product out.
Toothpaste. I can open that. I'm not going to squeeze it, but I will put the lid back on.
So in terms of all these products on the table, this is what I would always choose on the shelf. I do find this product much easier to open and squeeze out. So that's something that I already use at home. And in terms of this one, very small nozzle, a little bit sticky to get off. Yeah, easy to push up. I think this one, I feel like you can hold, position it upright, and I do feel like the product does go down towards the end of the packaging.
And this one is like very, yeah, I can do it with there, but that would be really hard. You need like quite a lot of force for this one just to open this cap because it's so tiny. I mean, I can do it with this hand, with one-handed, but to be honest, that would never go back on. That would just lip off it. It would never go back on because that's too annoying to like twist off and then back on.
These are normally always really easy to open up because they don't have that secondary plastic strip like a Panadol blister pack does. I probably don't enjoy anything where the screw top does come off, because if I knock it off the bench or the sink and it does end on the floor, it will probably take me a while to pick it up. So anything that is kind of attached to the packaging, which I know won't fall off or be bumped off, that's probably something that I would also think about. If you weren't here, I would probably sometimes use my teeth.
Yep, same with other tubes. Yeah, getting this off is a bit of a pain.
This one, like that one works for me. I can definitely do that, but these things suck. These things at the top, like again, that's straight in my mouth. I'd open that with my teeth, absolutely.